start. Okay. Hi. So I have a problem. It's called I want to paint and nobody wants to paint with me. So I've asked several people to paint with me, and the response I always get, I'm bad at painting. And I'm like, bro, did I ask if you were Van Gogh? Did I ask if you were Monet? No, I asked if you wanted to paint with me. So I got 2 canvases, but nobody wants to paint with me, so I'm painting both today. Oh, by the way, so show you out my outfit. It's good fit, right? Good fit. These pants are from when I was in like the 7th grade. This 4-rank shirt I got for free in college, and I don't like it. So we're gonna paint. I'm gonna practice taking nice, like, I don't know what they're called, speed videos where you like watch someone's process. And then I only have a couple paints because it's really old paint. I don't even know if it's gonna work. But at the end, you can vote for which painting's your favorite. And then, I don't know, nothing will happen with it, but at least I'll know which one's the favorite. What else? I have some paintbrushes, not that many. I have 5 colors of paint: white, glow in the dark, brown, green, and light purple. And I'm just gonna make whatever I feel like. I have no plan whatsoever. I'm just going to paint. Because guess what? You don't have to be good at painting to paint. You just have to have fun. I'm just gonna try to have fun. It's raining today, and it's relatively nice out.